Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorials. Today, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can open snaps on Snapchat Web. So, I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So, if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, just go to your web browser and then just type for websnapchat.com and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. So guys, there isn't any option to open Snap on your Snapchat web. But instead, what you can do is you can have Snap saved from your mobile devices like this. Let me just do it. So now you can see this is not a snap, but let me try first. What I want to do is, so what I can do is I can just go to my mobile phone and then save the snap from there if it is available. Or what else you can do, you can have some pictures of the snap to send by the person that sends you snap. Other thing, what you can do is you can send your snap from, let's say, Snapchat web. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you're gonna be doing. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.